Under Section 1 of the Sherman Anti-Trust Act, any contract, combination, or conspiracy to fix prices on commodities sold in interstate or foreign commerce is generally an unreasonable restraint of trade and illegal per se. In the 1940 case, United States v. Socony-Vacuum Oil Company, the United States Supreme Court considered whether a price-fixing agreement between a group of major oil companies was per se illegal under the Sherman Act. Socony-Vacuum Oil Company was a major oil company engaged in selling gasoline in the midwestern United States. Beginning in 1926, oil and gas in the United States were being produced in large quantities, which affected prices. In 1933, Congress passed the National Industrial Recovery Act, which permitted the president to take actions to regulate wages and prices in the oil industry. A code of fair competition for the oil industry was approved by the Secretary of the Interior, and an administrative board was established to provide advice and make recommendations. In 1934, the vice president of Socony-Vacuum was asked to set up public hearings to figure out how to stabilize prices and stop price wars within local markets. In a 1935 meeting in Chicago, numerous members of Midwestern oil companies complained about the failure of the price of refined gas to reach a parity with the price of crude oil. Following the meeting, the vice president appointed a committee to consider how to maintain an active and strong tank car market on gas. The committee met and agreed to divide up the spot market for gas so that each oil company would be matched with an independent refinery. Consequently, whenever spot market gas became available, the designated oil company would purchase the gas at market price. The effect of the arrangement was to remove the unpredictability of spot gas as a market factor on the price of gas at retail. Ultimately, the price of gas became stabilized, and the oil companies were able to charge more at the retail level. Subsequently, the United States brought charges against Socony-Vacuum and others in federal district court for engaging in an unlawful combination and conspiracy in violation of Section 1 of the Sherman Act. Following a jury trial, the companies were convicted and fined $5,000. Socony-Vacuum and others appealed to the Seventh Circuit, which reversed and remanded the case for a new trial, finding that the company's actions shouldn't have been considered a per se violation of the Sherman Act. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.